Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over how to do the eye for the snowman tutorial. You're going to have your yarn. You're going to cast it on. I know, again, I can't using those knitting terms. So we're going to yarn over and pull through. And then we're going to yarn over. You're going to go back into that original stitch, yarn over and pull through. So you've got 1, 2, 3. We're going to do it again. Yarn over, go back in, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through. It might get a little tight. So you've got now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is what we want. And then you just yarn over and pull through all 5. And then you're going to do 1 to secure a single. And then, so you've got this right here. So what you're going to do then is you're going to turn it over and you're going to, again, go back into that original. And then yarn over and pull through, which gives you this nice little like lumpy looking ball. And that's it. You just cut yourself a nice little tail, and then you sew it right on, and that's your lumpy little eye. Happy crocheting!